everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This DIY is going to be a super easy DIY that anybody can do. So if you are new to crafting, this is something you might want to try, okay? Now, before we get started, I would like to say hi to God's anointed daughter. Thank you so much for always being here to support me. I truly appreciate you, girl. Mwah. Okay, so let's get started. To make this candle holder, you can use 2 or 3 different things. I'm going to show you both options, okay? First off, you'll need one of these vases. I think they have about 3 different designs. I actually picked up 2 of them. For this DIY, I'm only going to show you this one, okay? So you can use this one or one of the other designs. We are going to take the V and turn it into a B and make it into a base. This is going to be our base, okay? Now, the first thing we want to do with our base is spray paint it gold. But before we do that, let's go ahead and remove the sticker. Like I said, it's super easy. We're going to spray paint it gold or whatever color you desire. Here's the gold spray paint that I'm using, and I'll link it in the description so you can go directly to it and purchase it from Amazon. After you spray paint it gold, this is what you will have. It's a really pretty, brilliant color. Now, you could seal this with some shiny, clear spray paint, or you can use just some flat, clear spray paint. It's up to you. It's your decision. What I want to do is put some gold leaf on here. Now, Dollar Tree does sell gold leaf. I don't think they have sheets, but they do have jars of gold leaf, and you can use that as well. But I have some sheets of gold leaf that I'm going to use. And what I'm going to use for my adhesive is some of this Wicked Stick It, and I'll link it below. You don't have to use Wicked Stick It. You can use Mod Podge or regular gold leaf adhesive. If you'd like me to, I'll link some of those options as well. But I do have a discount for the Wicked Stick It. Just gonna put a little bit inside this container. A little goes a long way. All right, I have some parchment paper in here. Let's put some of this down. And guys, I'll show you what I'm using the parchment paper for in a upcoming video. Something totally different than whatever I've done before. Let's go ahead and button my shirt up. So what I'm going to do is just take some of my Wicked Stick It and brush it onto my base. We don't need to put any here because we're going to add something to that later. Okay guys, so I went off camera and used one of these little things that I use to make cups. It makes it easier to hold. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes until the Wicked Stick It turns clear. And then we'll go ahead and apply our gold leaf. Okay guys, so back with our gold leaf. Gonna hold this down so you can see it. I'm just gonna take a sheet and carefully put it over and just gently press it down with a really soft brush. Just keep adding the gold leaf as you need it. And once you're done, if you see that you have some spaces that don't have the gold leaf, then add a little bit more of your adhesive and then go back over with the gold leaf. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Right here needs a little bit more. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of my Wicked Stick It. And honestly, because I'm putting such a thin layer, I don't have to wait. So let's just find a couple of these small pieces and put it on there. So let's move this to the side. Okay, so next up I have this ceramic saucer that I found as well in the same section. Unfortunately, this one is a little chipped here. They had like probably 6 or 7 left, and I was able to get 2, one without a chip at all, and then I got this one that has that little bit of a chip, but the rest of them was really bad. So what you want to do is remove the label, and I'm going to spray paint mine flat black. You can use whatever color you want. Again, the thing that I like about my DIYs, they are versatile, so use whatever color combination you want. I went ahead and spray painted one ahead of time. Here's what it looks like. Okay, so we want to do the same thing with this. Take some Mod Podge and brush it on. And try to keep it as smooth as you can. Now I'm going to let this sit up for a while, and then we'll come back to it. Okay guys, so we're back with our salsa. So now we're just going to go ahead and add some. We can stick it to the back. Comment below what you think we are going to do with this piece. Will we be adding some gold leaf to it or some silver leaf, and maybe have a black crackle effect in the background? Comment below. Don't wait until after this section, because I'll know. Because you have no way of knowing what I'm about to do next. Comment now what you think I'll do next. So let's just go ahead and let that set up for a few minutes, and then move on to the next step. Next up, we have some black leaf, black gold leaf, but some black. And I have other colors as well. And guys, I'm going to give some of this away. So if you are interested in getting some of this black leaf, follow the rules that I'll put in the description. So excited to see how it looks and how it behaves. And it's shiny too. I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to experiment with this and see what else we can do with it, guys. Cover the back. Okay guys, so let me show you something. Now on this black leaf, one side has like a blue iridescence about it, and then on this side is solid black. So you really can't treat it like you do gold leaf and silver leaf unless you want the look of both colors. Again, you have the solid black, and then you have like an iridescent black. So I noticed that I had a little bit of the blue showing up here, the iridescent part. So I'm just going back over it. So if you want to, I can try both looks on a different project. Just kind of blend the look and see what it looks like, or just do something with the iridescent backing of it as well. Just take a little bit more time if you want just the black to show. But the iridescent blue is really pretty too. So I'm going to put all this aside and let it completely dry, and then come back in and varnish it. Okay guys, so again, here's our saucer, and we left that little space open. So next, I have something you probably haven't seen in a while. One of these Dollar Tree napkin rings. Now, if you can't find these, you can substitute these for just about anything. You can use like a large cap from a bottle or something like that, or Dollar Tree even has like some little wooden blocks, so you can use a square as well. Okay, now because I'm using this, I want more of a surface area, so I'm going to use these little acrylic discs. I'll link them below, guys. I'll also link some napkin rings from Amazon. I'm sure they have some that you can use if you can't find these at Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is take this protective covering off one side. I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue. I have tape on it because some of it was seeping out of a hole that it created on the side. And I'm partially putting it on the inside as well, because it's not a perfect fit. They're right on top. And now you want to repeat the same thing on the other side. Again, I'm doing this so I'll have more surface area to glue the two pieces together. And then you have this. So here's one that I glued together ahead of time. I went ahead and removed the protective covering from each side. So So now we are going to glue this right into the center. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, there's two different ways that you can do this. You can use this piece with it or not. If you want to, you can just glue these two pieces together like that. Now, we have the surface area up here to use. You can use that. You don't have to use the bottom, and then glue that on top, and that will be your look. Okay? I'm still keeping it simple, but that's just a little bit too simple. So I'm going to take some of my glue and just put it on the napkin ring base and put that right in the center. And now I'm going to put some glue right on top. This is going to give it more height, and to me it makes it look better. You know, I like this look a little bit better. Let me make sure this is in the center. That's looking pretty good. And now let's carefully turn this over. And in the center. I'm going to allow the glue to set up, and once that's done, I'll come back and we'll add some decoration to our napkin ring. Now, we can leave it silver. I like the three contrasting colors together. So yeah, we'll let those dry and then come back. Okay guys, so here we are. Now, what I've decided to do is go ahead and put some mirror towel around the neck. Okay, this is 5 rows. Off camera, I went ahead and measured this onto another napkin ring. So now I know how much I need. So I'm just gonna go in here. It's gonna be kind of a tight fit. So you could do this ahead of time. If you decide to do mirror, then you can go ahead and put that on there. It's almost a perfect fit. Yeah, look at that, isn't it cute? I want to go ahead and decorate the top of this as well. And I'm going to use some of my diamond bling. But because of the paint and the gold leaf, I don't think it's going to stick well. So I'm just going to add some liquid stick it to the top. Let it set up, and then add the 2 rolls of diamond bling right on top. Again, you don't have to do this if you don't care for bling. This DIY is pretty much for everybody. So I'm going to allow that to set up, and then I'll come back and add my diamond bling, and we will be done. So if you're going to do it, go ahead and put this down before gluing everything together, and then it'll be a whole lot easier. But yeah, this is all it is to it. If you want to keep it simple and pretty, this is how you do it, okay? Now, I did do a second one a little bit different, but it still matches, so stay tuned as I present both of my candle holders to you. And here's my completed candle holder. One of the easiest Dollar Tree DIYs that you have ever seen on my channel. It's versatile, beautiful, and inexpensive. And I knew that some of you would be curious as to how it would look if the base was black and the top was gold. So here you go. It's just as beautiful as the first one. Please comment your favorite below. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. Thank you so much for spending time crafting with me today. Your support truly means the world to me. Every view, like, comment, share, and subscription helps grow my channel, more than you know. And don't forget to use YouTube's new Hype Up feature to show this video some extra love. I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and being part of this creative journey. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and come back for the next beautiful DIY here on Beverly Stunning Creations.